Okay, afternoon. Just a quickly recap of my position on WHC. Consider this as a trade management. Let's go to our layouts. Okay. It's a bit small. Yeah, let's go to quotes instead, so it's bigger. Right. So far the 1 hour as on Thursday, where I vlogged about it, where I said I want the price to hold this line here, and it did. It actually pushed up on 19, which was yesterday, and it pushed up again today, and it looks like it closed above the high of yesterday. So I'm hoping it'll continue, and then we can take our partial profits on our marked clear resistance levels for the past days. So what I've done now is I've moved my stop loss. I've moved my stop loss above my entry point as a way to protect capital. So how I got to this number is I've started experimenting on the 1 hour time frame. So what I've done is I took the 1 hour time frame, and it's valued at like 9.1 on the hourly chart. What I did was 9.1 minus 1 ATR, which is 0.12. So 9.1 minus 0.12 set me to 8.94, which is just below the 50 EMA on the hourly chart. The daily chart looks pretty healthy. It's starting to fan out, though it did take a dip here. So, but we did enter here, so all good for us. Though today the candle it's not looking that wide body, so it is concerning. At this point here, I don't think there's anyone that's controlling the stock right now. However, it did close positive today, 3.9% above yesterday. So I think that's good. It's just that the candle's body is mostly wicks. At this case, I don't really like wicks. I want it to be full-bodied like this for really trend continuation. For the 1 week chart, however, it's looking as well. It's mostly wick at the bottom, right? And then there's a tiny body up here. This is what people usually call a doji, though I usually call it a who gives a shit. It's mostly price action. It's all priced in. So, but it is a doji on a positive, meaning the week it was on a negative, and the buyers pushed back, and it closed on a green side. I don't know what they call this, Morningstar, whatever the fuck, fucking astrology thinking, name it, whatever, I don't care. They call it, but price action wise is looking pretty healthy. The daily is also looking pretty healthy. The 1 hour is, as I said, is looking healthy. I've moved it on the 50 EMA just so I can capture some of the profits if it really goes bad for me. And if it do, the price have to fall about let me bring up a calculator. How much much is this? It's trading right now at 9.3. My stop loss is at 8.8. No, 8.94. So that's a 3.87% decrease. And hopefully this would cover the gap, but I may be a little tight here. Then again, we are experimenting here, so we'll see how it goes. If it's true, if that doesn't work, I will probably move it up to the 2-hour chart instead. So from here, 9.01 minus 180R minus 0.185. But for now, we'll stick for the 1 hour first, because before, when we traded Lin, we gave back way too much money to the market. So learn along me. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully we'll be profitable in 1 or 2 months, or this month, we shall see. Alright, that's it for now.